always in here? I ain't seen you in a month for Sundays. Excuse me? Why you ain't been saying something? Just came up in the chat and ain't said nothing. Well, I hope whatever you got going on, KK, it gets better. B, don't get unmodded and muted and be watching from outside the club. Don't play with KK, because you know KK like to square up from the shoulders. Yep, this is all laundry on this side. We already did the cans. Y'all know what I don't like? No, you know what? I ain't gonna start that up. We gonna be positive. Hey, y'all. Oh, Lord, I ain't been watching the comments at all. I ain't seen none of y'all come up in the chat. What's up with your babes? Oh, KK, you see how much we love you? Because, girl, where have you been? I know you on a Jet 2 holiday. In the meantime, in between time, make sure y'all get a KK boat from the boat originator, Miss KK herself. Okay? It's the holiday season. What better way to share it with friends than with a KK boat? Hey, Gabby. No, I don't got no pine bucket. I ain't making no pine bucket till I get extra pine. So until I get some extra pine, I ain't making one. I don't like when people just push the powder off of the sponge. I don't like when people do this. Hold on. I don't like that. Hey, Kingdom Car Cleaning. Welcome in. Y'all, Kingdom Car Cleaning be over there mixing up some toxic stuff. She real tough, but baby, when I tell you I can't, there's no way. Kingdom Car, have you ever... Okay, Yellow, ship me some for Christmas. Thank you. Thank you. Baby, how you don't be on the floor? What's your secret? No, Lori, do not squeeze like that. Lori can squeeze. But I don't like no powder pusher, baby. Squeeze the sponge. I don't care. I'll mix it together. Y'all want me to mix it together? I don't know how I'm going to mix it together, though. This thing full. It feel good. I'm so hot. I need some water.
Turn my damn heat on.
I didn't pay attention to the heat being on. We don't never have the heat on.
Yes, we have for days. Yeah.
Well, I missed the memo.
Bruh. How you realize it ain't cooling down?
Y'all still want a powder mountain?
Don't have it on powder.
If so, I'm about to put all these bags of aroma on top of these sponges. I saved pine panelin for the rinse at the end. Okay. We did pretty good. We made too big of a... Oh, I know what you can do for me. Pull this trash bag and give me another bag.
Then why you do this flood and shit?
Listen, cuss me out after I get off live, thank you. Didn't I just tell y'all I was overstuffing that trash can? And I needed to chill. That man be sick of me. He be sick of me. Okay. You want me to pull it?
No. All can go in that bag.
Did he say his balls sweating? Girl, no. Why would he say that?
What?
Don't mind B.
That's some freak show shit, right?
Right.
You on your mind.
B used to chew crayons as a kid. Don't pay her no mind.
Stood by that microwave too long over this.
Uh-huh.
Get in there. Said your balls. What you say?
She said your balls sweating. B used to chew crayons as a kid, y'all. Don't mind B.
You still put stuff in the can. I just said no. Like, you put it
I had
back.
already had this in
You
here.
took the bag and put it back. Fill this bag up. That's not a smart move to do.
KK said that. Oh. Well, maybe it sounded like he said his balls were sweating, but his balls not sweating.
I ain't even sound like it. Where's that even come from? You just left the gym or something?
You did. If B get blamed for everything, she sure do. Cause she always somewhere doing something. I'm sorry, B. I was wrong this time. This time. You still used to chew crayons as a kid. I also don't like it when they upcharge the product and we all know the worth of the price. Lizzie. Lizzie, not tonight. Not tonight. No ma'am, no ham, no jam, no turkey. I am not gonna be fighting for my life in the morning, even though I know you'll get in the field with me.
Oh yeah, gotta give me at least a day. I'm on 4 hours. So I hit on the head. I'm trying to let the lid now touch that truck. Or you gotta get up. School.